Are you seeing the Biwinrt Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. As we get into the manual process for Biwinrt Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Biwinrt Library, the Broker Infrastructure WinRT Library. It manages the localized permissions and cross-process communication for modern UWP applications. It facilitates the secure localized brokering of system resources between the sandbox and the OS kernel. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Biwinrt Library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Biwinrt library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Biwinrt Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Biwinrt Library and system libraries. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Biwinrt Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.